Hi everyone, want your threads go viral? Today let's going to break down how the algorithm really works. Let's get started. First, Threads algorithm loves engagement, replies, likes, and shares. You can ask an open-ended questions like this example here, and this invites a replies which boost visibility. And post early, post often. Threads prioritizes recency. Post during a peak hours like 8 to 10 a.m. or 6 to 8 p.m. your audience local time. And frequent post equals to more chances to be seen on the main feed. And to master the first five words, the first line is equals your hook. If it doesn't grab, you lose. So here are the example here. And use curiosity or controversy to pull people in. Threads still leans on your Instagram network. Reposting from IG stories with a link to your thread can double your traffic. Screenshot and share the best threads on Twitter to redirect traffic. And start by consistently posting in one niche like fashion, technology, productivity, and more. And the algorithm learns your topic bubble. And once again, traction, you can gain traction experiment outward because clarity builds audience and audience build reach. And tap your likes and replies and study which threads perform best. Check your tone, your timing, your topic, then repeat what worked. And that's how you go viral on threads, the smart way. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more social tips. Thanks for watching.